Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up bank statements from Chase to PDF and store securely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your internet browser. Navigate to the Chase website. Log into your Chase account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the top menu. Select the account for which you want to download bank statements. Scroll down to find your transaction history. Look for the Statements option, typically found in the Account Overview. Click on Statements to access your bank statements. Choose the statement period you need. Select the desired statement to view it. After opening the statement, look for a Download option. Choose the PDF format for your statement. The PDF will begin to download to your computer. Locate the downloaded PDF in your designated download folder. To store it securely, consider creating a dedicated folder for bank statements. Open the folder where you want to store the PDF. Drag and drop or copy and paste the downloaded statement into the folder. For added security, consider encrypting the folder. Use a password management tool or secure cloud storage for backup. Always ensure your computer has updated antivirus software. Regularly review and organize your stored statements for easy access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.